Welcome to another episode. Let's look at what a table is and how to create a table in MySQL. A table represents a collection of related data entries or records arranged in rows and columns. So which means that invariably we are saying that a table is made up of rows and columns. So in database, columns can also be named as fields. So we have different fields, or you can say column names. So we have different fields. Rows can also be called records in database. Now let's go to MySQL and look at how we can create a table. In creating a table in MySQL, we are using the create statement. I want to create a table for student profile. Student profile. And then we'll give the name of the columns with their data type, which is ID going to be integer. This is the syntax for creating a table. But first of all, we are going to create this table inside our database SQL module. So we'll select our database SQL module. So we say create table. That's what we are missing. So this is the syntax for creating a table. Create table, the table name, and then you give the name of the columns that will be in this table and their data type. ID, integer, first name, varchar, last name, varchar, state, varchar, gender, varchar, status is going to be varchar, department is going to be varchar, and then the last is date of birth. So when we run this or execute this query, we are going to have a check saying that our table has been created successfully. So when we want to see if we have created this table, you refresh your schemas, and then on the SQL module database, you can click on this arrow. We can see that we have our student profile table under our SQL module database. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.